Cleaning the printer. In this video, you will learn how to perform routine printer cleaning. Turn the power off and remove all media. Clean the media sensors using compressed air. To clean off any adhesive buildup on the media guides, roll holders, and other areas, wipe with a swab or lint-free cloth moistened with a solution of 9 parts isopropyl alcohol and 1 part deionized water. Clean the roll holders and frame using a lint-free wipe moistened with a solution of 9 parts isopropyl alcohol and 1 part deionized water. Clean the ribs and sensor. The outside of the printer may be cleaned using solutions common to the healthcare industry, including isopropyl alcohol and water. Reload media and ribbon. Close the printer.